Hey there, Brendan Bailey with MarineMax, and I am here on a great new listing. This is a 2017 510 Sundancer, one of the most popular Sundancers over 50 foot that Sea Ray built. All over Southwest Florida, South Florida, there are tons and tons of 510s because of the configuration and layout. So let's start back here at the back. This does have the hydraulic swim platform, great for holding a tender or a jet ski. Really a sturdy, nice swim platform. Lots of mooring boxes across the swim platform on this boat. Great place to be able to keep folding chairs, fenders, dock lines, saddle floats. All your gear is really nicely kept behind these three nice doors. As you step up into the cockpit, one thing you'll notice about this boat is the amount of seating. A lot of closed cockpit boats may just have a bench seat across the back and maybe a seat for one or two. You've got nice U-shaped seating in this area, as well as the extension all the way across over here to the starboard side. Beautiful real teak wood throughout the cockpit. Kenyon grill. You've got the ice maker. Just a nice area to entertain, whether it's sunny or nighttime. If it's nighttime, you might roll in the Sure Shade, which is really a nice feature to really take you off on those hot days, get you out of the sun. Really just a great entertainment platform. And you'll notice that it nicely graduates right into the upper salon area. As you enter into the salon, you're greeted on the starboard side by the wet bar, refrigerator, storage for bottles and drinks, utensils and stuff can all store in this area here, sink and trash. Nice TV that's mounted, nice area for this to be mounted in, just so you can see it from all these areas. If you're sitting in the cockpit, you can see it here, but it's in a nice climate controlled, protected area. Again, a nice L-shaped sofa here with a folding table. Makes it nice to be able to get in and out. If you've got a lot of people sitting around the table, maybe you don't even want it up, you want to be able to sit with your legs folded and sit on the computer, you can do that here as well. But really a nice area to sit around, have a glass of wine with the other girls on the boat. Other guys hang out, sit up here. Just a really nice entertainment spot here in the upper salon. As you look up, lots of natural light coming in because the entire ceiling is glass. They got these privacy shades or heat shades as well. But a very nice air-conditioned, nicely cooled 510 Sundancer salon is what you'll find on this boat. I love the way that the helm seat actually articulates around. Makes you part of the conversation once you're anchored. Nobody needs a forward-facing helm seat once you're anchored. It becomes kind of an obsolete, nobody needs a seat anymore area of the boat. Nice to be able to pivot this around and join in the conversation. Gives yourself two more people to be able to sit here in this area. Helm station is absolutely stunning. To me, it's one of their best helm stations that they built. Just a very impressive area, nicely laid out, easy to run. Dual ray marines with radar. This does have open array radar. You've got Zeus pods with joystick docking, skyhook, digital shift and throttle, autopilot. Just a gorgeous boat with a very nicely laid out and easy to operate helm station for any owner operator. Just a nice boat to be able to run. We're going to step down here. As we step into the lower salon, I'm 6'5", and in past years you would be stepping through a gate or a door going into a really dark area. When they came out with Skyflow, it kind of blew this area open, really made it to where it naturally flowed down into this second salon, which I call the lower salon. I personally have been on this boat where the ladies are all hanging out upstairs around the dinette, and the guys are all hanging out down here, just having a good time here. You got the TV, the Bose surround sound system, lots of seating down here. And look at the whole side windows. I've been on this boat at sunset as well, and it's just gorgeous at night to be able to look through there. You're almost at water level. It's stunning down here, but very bright. Being a 2017, you'll notice that a lot of the colors as compared to the older models, a lot of the colors are a lot of their newer L-class colors that they had with the nicer upgraded granite countertops on this boat, light and airy, lots of light colors on the boat. Really gives you a nice contemporary, very updated look versus some of the older, heavier, stuffier 510s that you've seen out there. But you've got a nice over and under fridge, Cuisinart, convection oven, just nice area to be able to prep food, make things ready down here. If you're down here and you've got another group, you can prepare cocktails and drinks and food down here as well. So we're going to go forward into the VIP One thing I'll say about a 510 VIP stateroom is it is definitely going to make your guest feel at home. The master or the VIP head is absolutely stunning. Beautiful walk-in. It's a large guest head. And the actual island style bed articulates up and down just to maximize your room when you're not using the bed. Really gives you more floor space to move around. Nice stand-up walk-in shower, ceramic tile flooring, beautiful glass bowl, sinks. Just a nice layout. So we're going to move right back into the master stateroom. This is a full beam master suite. That was really a great feature of this model. When you walk in, you're going to walk straight into your vanity area with sink, nice storage underneath, a window. This boat also has the Roman shade upgrade, so instead of like an aluminum blind or a wooden blind, it really gave you a lot more modern, more designer Roman shades. Walk-in shower and head, separate area that's closed off by a door from the actual vanity. Makes it nice because you can have two people getting ready and not be standing over each other. So island style bed coming off the starboard side. Nice area, nice bed that you can walk around. Nicely well built in nightstands on each side with his and hers closet. Flat screen TV and Bose system flush mounted into the wall here.